Hey, this is Paul. This is chassis number 3 for James. It's another K7000 25-inch. This one came to me dead, with fuses blown. I had to put a flyback in it, caps. The hot was still good. The voltage regulator was blown. A fuse I put in. Did some good reflow work on it. And I got it up and running. She's looking good. All the colors are there. Nice stable picture. Good focus. Colors nice and balanced. When you get any of these chassis back, you're going to have to readjust them to your tube, because the guns on your tube will be firing different from the guns on my tube, depending on year and age and model of the tube, and how much life the tube has left. There's a new flyback. Nichicon Panasonic caps. They're my caps I prefer to use. The reflow on the bottom, reflow work. Did some reflow work on the neck board. Everything looks nice and stable. This guy's ready to go back. See ya.